Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we are making quick and easy painting using sponge brush. So first get ready with the material. We need acrylic colors, flat and round brush, sponge brush. If you don't have, use a normal sponge, cloth or tissue paper. I have taken 8 by 10 inches canvas here. You can take any size of your choice. Take a white color and try to form a circle in the center of a canvas. You can use a brush here, but I find sponge very easy in this type of paintings. Now take a flat brush, dip it into water and remove the excess water with the help of tissue paper. Use this brush for blending colors. Keep blending till both the colors are merged nicely. We repeat the same process for filling other colors. For the last layer, add black in a blue color. Once the color on a canvas dried, draw Om shape with the help of pencil. Now first paint the outline using 0 number brush. That will be easier to paint inside. Yes, and don't forget to color borders. I hope you like this video. Till then, don't forget to subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.